What are the steps to restart my Ring camera?
Hello, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're going to walk you through the steps to restart your Ring camera. Restarting your Ring camera can help solve minor glitches or connectivity issues. Let's get started.
Check the camera status.
Before you restart your Ring camera, you should check its current status. Make sure your camera is online and working correctly. If you're experiencing problems, a restart might be just what you need. 1. Open the Ring app on your smartphone. 2. Tap on devices and then select the camera that's giving you trouble. 3. Check the device health for any reported issues.
Restarting your Ring camera.
Now that you've checked the status of your Ring camera, it's time to perform the restart. 1. Keep the Ring app open on your smartphone. 2. Go to the device settings of the specific camera you want to restart. 3. Scroll down and select Troubleshooting. 4. There, you should find the option to reboot device. 5. Tap Reboot device. The restart process should now begin. It might take a few minutes for the device to completely reboot. Note, if you can't find the Reboot device option in your app, you might have to manually restart the camera. This process varies from model to model but typically involves unplugging the device, waiting a few minutes, and then plugging it back in.
Verifying the restart.
After you've restarted your Ring camera, it's important to verify that the restart was successful. 1. Once again, open the Ring app. 2. Navigate to Devices and select your camera. 3. Check the device health again. If everything is working correctly, there should be no reported issues. That's it. You now know how to restart your Ring camera. We hope this video was helpful and that your Ring camera is now working as expected. Remember, restarting your device is a quick and easy way to troubleshoot minor issues. Thank you for watching and have a great day.